In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to mass update in Zoho CRM. Whether you're managing a vast list of leads, contacts, or any other module, being able to update multiple records simultaneously can significantly enhance your productivity and streamline your workflow. So, let's dive right into the process. First, you'll want to open the module containing the records you wish to update. This could be your leads, contacts, or any other module within your Zoho CRM. Once you're there, it's crucial to narrow down your target records to ensure you're updating only the relevant ones. You can achieve this by using filters or custom views. Filters allow you to sort through your data based on specific criteria, making it easy to focus on just the records you need to modify. Once you've filtered your list to the records you need, it's time to select them. You'll see checkboxes next to each record, allowing you to select the ones you want to update. If you want to update all the records displayed on the page, there's a convenient Select All option right at your fingertips. This feature can save you from having to manually click through each checkbox, especially when dealing with large datasets. With your records selected, look for the Actions button, which will reveal the Mass Update option. Alternatively, if you prefer to access it through a different path, you can navigate to the Setup section. Here, you'll find a route labeled with your module's name followed by Tools, leading you to Mass Update for that specific module. This flexibility allows you to choose the method that best fits your workflow. Next, you'll choose the field or fields you want to update. Enter the new value you want for each of these fields. If you're working with multi-select fields, you also have the option to either overwrite the current selections or append new values. This means you can add new options without losing the existing data, providing great versatility in how you manage your updates. Now, when you're ready, just hit Save. If you're working with up to 500 records, these updates will occur almost instantly. However, if you have more than 500 records, there's no need to worry. For those using the Enterprise or Ultimate editions of Zoho CRM, there's an additional feature to assist with larger batches. Simply use the Select All Records in this View option, which enables updates for views containing up to 50,000 records. This powerful capability ensures that large-scale updates can be handled efficiently and with ease. And there you have it. A straightforward yet powerful way to perform mass updates in Zoho CRM. By following these steps, you can keep your data current and organized, helping you to maintain an efficient and effective customer relationship management system. Thanks for watching, and happy updating!